Oh, there we go. Some beautiful caramel sauce being poured over our puffed caramel corn. We're going to show you step by step on how we make this puffed caramel corn treat. Some folks call this crack. The combination of crunchy, fluffy, and tasty makes it just a bit addictive. We're starting things off here with 10 ounces of puffed corn into our roasting pan. I'll take one of those. And since Julie loves being prepared, she's getting that parchment paper laid out so it's all ready for when she needs it. We'll start preparing that caramel sauce with 2 sticks of butter into a large pot. And that gets followed up with 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Next we grab that bottle of light corn syrup, and we're going to grab a half a cup of this and pour that right into that same pot, just like so. And this is going to turn into a nice thick caramel sauce that we're going to pour right over the top of all that puffed corn. And here's the perfect time to preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to bring that pot over to the stove top, put that on a high temperature, and we're going to start melting that butter into that brown sugar and light corn syrup. Julie's going to bring this to a boil here as she continues to melt that butter using her rubber spatula. And once this comes to a boil, she's going to keep cooking it for 2 minutes while continuing to stir it. Alright, we've got it to a boil here, so she's going to keep stirring this for the full 2 minutes as she turns on the fan on the hood for the stovetop. Alright, that timer's about to go off. Let's bring that over to the island. Keep stirring it as much as we can as we mix in that 1 teaspoon of baking soda and stir that into the pot. And that baking soda starts to lighten the color of the full sauce, as you can see there. Once that's fully lightened like that, you can start pouring that directly over the puffed corn right in your roasting pot, spreading it out evenly right across the top. Now you can see Julie immediately starts to mix this up fully covering all the puffed corn in that bowl. And one good technique certainly is to scoop from underneath and kind of turn it upside down on itself a few times. So scoop from underneath and lay that on top, and it just slowly starts covering all the puffed corn. Once you see all the puffed corn shining with that lovely outer layer, you're getting ready to put this into the oven, which has been preheated to 250 degrees. This will bake at 250 degrees for a full 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes you want to give this a quick stir.
Oh, just lost it.
Trying to avoid any spillage. And you can see here that Julie uses that same technique of scooping from underneath and laying that on top as she did previously to placing this into the oven, continuing to spread that sauce evenly across all the puffs. And then in it goes again for another 10 minutes. And yeah, we cleaned up that piece that went astray. And again repeating that stirring process at 20 minutes. And after that full 30 minutes, we pull that out from the oven, and we spread that out evenly across that parchment paper that is waiting on the island. You can see Julie just spreads that out nice and evenly across one layer, just so it can cool a little bit quicker. And Julie had this laying here just for about 90 minutes before she dug in to break these apart. And just listen to how crunchy those sound. Man, these are good. You can see the description below to easily copy all the ingredients. And if you're looking for another simple snack to make, be sure to check out our chocolate pretzel bites by clicking right there. Be sure to share your comments below and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, God bless.